Good morning, student. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the numericals of saving function. How we can calculate the numericals. So there is question given. Question number 1. Saving function of an economy is saving equal to minus 200 plus 0.25y means saving equal to autonomous consumption plus marginal propensity to consume, marginal propensity to save into income. The economy is in equilibrium when income is equal to 2000. Calculate investment expenditure at equilibrium level of income, autonomous consumption, investment multiplier. In this question, there is given saving function. We know that saving function is equal to minus C bar plus MPS Y, where S is saving, C is autonomous consumption negative in case of the saving function, and MPS means marginal propensity to save, and Y is income. So let us calculate. Saving equal to minus C bar plus MPS Y. In this question, we are compare saving equation of saving function from this equation. So C bar is given there 200, that is autonomous consumption, and marginal propensity to save, MPS is given 0.25. This is a marginal propensity to save. This is a marginal propensity to save. Is equal to 0.25, and income is given 2000, means all values are given in crores. So we put all values in this equation. First we calculate investment expenditure at equilibrium level of income. At the equilibrium level of income, saving is equal to investment. At the equilibrium level of income, saving equal to investment. So here investment equal to minus C bar plus MPS Y. We put all values in this equation. Autonomous consumption is given there minus 200, marginal propensity to save is given there 0.25, and income is given 2000. We put all values minus 200 plus 0.25 into 2000 equal to minus 200 plus 10,000. Sorry. When we multiply by 0.25 into 2000, we get 50. Sorry, we get 500. When we multiply by 0.25 into 2000 we get 500. So investment expenditure is 300 crores. This is answer. All the values is given crores. In saving function, the values of MPS is given 0.25, autonomous consumption is minus 200, and income is given 2000 crore. At the level of income, at the equilibrium level of income in an economy, saving equal to investment. So in place of saving, we put the investment expenditure, and all values we put from this saving function and calculate the value of investment expenditure. The value of investment expenditure is 300 crores. Again, we solve autonomous consumption. The value of autonomous consumption is 200 crores because in saving function this is a autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption is negative in a saving function. Why? At the level of income, when level of income is 0, in this situation minimum level of consumption, which is known as the autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption is a negative because y equal to c plus s, saving equal to income minus consumption. When consumption is more than income, in this situation saving is negative. तो इस तरह से हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption equal to minus 200 crore. We compare from this saving function. The values of, there is given autonomous consumption. We have compared from the saving function. The values of autonomous consumption is 200 crores. Again, investment multiplier. Investment multiplier K is equal to 1 upon marginal probability to save. The value of marginal probability to save is given there 2.5. So we put the values 1 upon 0.25, we get 4. This is your answer. So we calculate the investment expenditure at equilibrium level of income. At the equilibrium level of income, investment expenditure is equal to the saving. And autonomous consumption we calculate from this equation. The value of autonomous consumption is minus 200 crores. And investment multiplier, we know that investment multiplier equal to 1 upon MPS. The value of MPS is given 0.25. We put the values, when divided by 0.25 we get the 4. So this is the value of investment multiplier. Increase in investment by 400 crores leads to increase in national income by 1600 crore. Calculate marginal probability to consume. So we know that investment multiplier, it is defined at the ratio of change of income and change of investment. Investment multiplier is equal to change in income delta y upon change in investment. delta I. The value of change in investment is given there. Change in investment delta I is 400 crores and change in income delta Y is given there 1600 crores. We put all values in this 1600 upon 200. The value of multiplier is 8. The value of multiplier is 8. We know that the relationship between multiplier and marginal probability to consume. Investment multiplier equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Again, K is equal to 1 minus marginal probability to consume. The value of investment multiplier is 8, 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Cross multiply 8 minus 8 MPC equal to 1, 8 MPC equal to minus 8 MPC is equal to 1 minus 8 minus 8 MPC is equal to minus 7. Again minus 8 MPC is equal to minus 7 upon minus cancel out. So MPC is equal to 7 upon 8. 7 divided by 8, 0. 8 is 64. 8 7 जा 56, 40. So the value of MPC is 0.875. This is answer. Again, I explain this question. In this question, there is given change of investment and change in national income. Calculate marginal probability to consume. First, we calculate investment multiplier. Investment multiplier it is defined at the ratio of change in income and change in investment. So investment multiplier equal to change in income upon change in investment. The value of change in income is given 1600 and the value of change in investment is given 200. After that, we get the value of investment multiplier is 8. Again, investment multiplier is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, means that is shows the relationship between investment multiplier and marginal probability to consume. In this equation, we put the value of investment multiplier. Cross multiply, we get 8 minus 8 MPC is equal to 1. We transpose the value of 8 in left hand side. So minus 8 MPC is equal to 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 8 MPC equal to minus 7. The value of MPC is equal to 7 upon 8. When we divide 8 8 we divide 7 by 8, we get 0.875. This is the value of MPC. Okay, thank you so much.